G'day and welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups, proudly sponsored by Minisport. On this episode we are talking about 35 amp glass fuses. Now on most classic minis they generally only have two fuses and they're a glass 35 amp fuse. This is something really important to have in your glove box, in your door pocket, or even in your toolbox, because chances are at some stage you're going to have to replace it. Now like I said, some classic minis only have two fuses, whereas some later models had multiple. So it's important to make sure you've always got spares. Not only that, but these are really easy, cheap, affordable to keep in your car at any stage and to ensure that you've always got a spare set, whether it be for you or helping someone else. Because a classic mini generally only runs two fuses, it's not uncommon that when one fuse blows, you lose a complete ignition circuit. So it could be something like wipers, lights, indicators, a bunch of things are all going to fail at once. And it's a really easy, cheap, affordable thing to replace when you're on the side of the road, and really easy diagnosis as well. Pop the cover off, have a look, see what the fuses are doing, and if you're unsure, check it with a multimeter or even a test light on each side to make sure you've got power on both sides, depending if the ignition needs to be on, if it needs to be off, whatever the case may be. Make sure you check them out at www.minisport.com.au. Check out the full range of merchandise as well: hats, t-shirts, jumpers, hoodies, and even stubby coolers. Catch you on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.